To update the Build.com API SDK, follow these steps. First, check the Build.com developer portal for the latest SDK version and release notes. Review the changes and new features to understand how they will impact your integration. Next, prepare your development environment by backing up your existing code and SDK files. This will allow you to restore your previous setup if needed. Then, update your package manager to ensure you have the latest dependencies and libraries. Now, update the Build.com API SDK using your package manager. For example, if you are using npm, run the command to update the Build.com API SDK package. If you are using a different package manager, refer to its documentation for the correct update command. After updating the SDK, review and update your code to use the new features and changes. Check the Build.com API documentation for any updated endpoints, parameters, or authentication mechanisms. Update your code to handle any breaking changes or deprecations. Finally, test your updated integration thoroughly to ensure it works as expected. Verify that all endpoints and features are functioning correctly and that there are no errors or issues. By following these steps, you can successfully update the Build.com API SDK and take advantage of the latest features and improvements. It is also important to note that you should always follow best practices for updating dependencies and libraries, such as testing in a non-production environment first and monitoring for any issues after deployment. Additionally, stay up to date with the latest Build.com API SDK releases and updates to ensure you have the latest security patches and features.